how are you? How are you?
I thank you and you.
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Tuấn Kiệt.
Tuấn Kiệt. And how old are you?
I'm from Vietnam.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Good. Do you like Vietnam? Do you like Vietnam? Kiệt? Do you like Vietnam? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, alright. Good job. Okay, look at the picture for me. Tell me, what is this?
Bus.
It's a bus.
It's the bus. It's the hat. It's the leg. It's the fish. It's the elephant. It's a table. It's the sun. It's the moon. It's a zoo.
Wow, super boy. Okay, look at these pictures of the weather. Tell me, how's the weather today?
It's a rainy. It's a windy. It's a sunny. It's a windy. It's a cloudy. It's a cloudy.
Okay, snowy.
Snowy.
Okay, good kid. Tell me, what do you do in the morning?
Breakfast. Wash my teeth. Wash my face. Go to school.
Good. What do you do in the afternoon?
Eat lunch. Study at school. Play football. Take a nap.
Very good. Tell me, kid, what do you do in the evening?
Take a bath and take a bed and watch TV. Eat dinner.
Good.
Go to bed.
Wow, very good. You're very busy, eh? Excellent. High five. Bye-bye.